How to change app icon size on iPhone. If you want a bigger size of your icon and you want to change it, then this video is for you. For that, first of all, launch the settings on your device. Once you are on your settings homepage, there you will see display and brightness option. Tap on it. Now scroll down to the last, there you will see display zoom under display. Simply tap on it. Now, if you select the larger text, then your icon size and the text size will be increased. If you make it to the default, then it will be the medium size. So if you want the larger one, then simply select the larger text and hit on the done from the top right corner, and then you are good to go. In this way, you can easily change app icon size on your iPhone. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.